Hey guys, and welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I have a package from Dice Decks. It's some budget cartwheels. They gave us some tape. Yeah, there's a note. And here are the wheels. Okay, so my thoughts on these budget cartwheels is they are an upgrade from like your China wheels. They roll smoother and they have more grip on them, like especially on this kind of surface. Like the China wheels would just like have like zero traction on them, unlike these, which have a little bit of traction on them. So overall, I'm very happy with these wheels, and thank you for watching the video.